A Truck Goes Rattley Bumpa, written by Jonathan London, illustrated by Dennis Roche. A truck could be big. A truck could be strong. A truck could be short or very, very long. A truck could be red. A truck could be blue. A truck could have many wheels, or a truck could have few. A truck goes chugga chugga. A truck goes vroom. A truck goes rattly bumpa. A truck goes zoom. A truck carries cars. A truck carries hogs. A truck hauls apples. A truck hauls logs. A truck's horn blasts. A truck's bells peal. Trucks drive all day. Trucks drive all night. Trucks drive cross country. And stop at every light. If I were a trucker, I could polish the chrome. I could hop in that big rig and drive it on home. The end.